Hello, everyone, and welcome to Food Safety for Tummies. If you're preparing for your Food Safety Manager Certification Exam, one of the smartest things you can do is focus on the topics that appear most often on the test. While the exam covers many areas of food safety, there are several key concepts that show up repeatedly and are essential for every food safety manager to understand. One of the most important topics is personal hygiene and employee health. You should know proper hand washing procedures, when employees must wash their hands, when gloves are required, and which symptoms must be reported to management. ServSafe places a strong emphasis on preventing illness from spreading through food handlers. Another major area is time and temperature control. Understanding the temperature danger zone of 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit is critical because this is where bacteria can grow rapidly. You should also know safe cooking temperatures, hot and cold holding requirements, cooling procedures, and reheating guidelines. Remember that poultry must be cooked to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, ground meats to 155 degrees Fahrenheit, that seafood and steaks to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and plant foods held for hot service to at least 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Cross-contamination prevention is another topic that receives significant attention on the exam. Managers must understand how harmful microorganisms can be transferred from one food, surface, or employee to another, and how proper storage, cleaning, and food handling practices help prevent this from happening. The exam also focuses heavily on foodborne illnesses and pathogens. You should be familiar with illnesses such as norovirus, hepatitis A, salmonella, shigella, and E. coli, along with how these illnesses spread and when employees must be restricted or excluded from work. Cleaning and sanitizing are frequently tested as well. It is important to understand that cleaning removes food and dirt from surfaces, while sanitizing reduces harmful microorganisms to safe levels. You should also know proper warewashing procedures and sanitizer use. Finally, make sure you understand HACCP principles, food allergens, receiving and storage procedures, pest control, and facility safety requirements. These topics help managers identify hazards before they become serious problems. If you focus your study efforts on these core concepts, you'll be well prepared for the ServSafe Manager Certification Exam